Hello, my name is Ezekiel Castro. This is Weber Cooks. And today we're making beef ravioli and tomato meat sauce. First, what you want to do, remove the lid. And then you gotta yell while you're doing that.
Lick the lid.
That's delicious.
No.
Then what you want to do is put the ravioli in the microwave. Let me read the directions. Right here. So it's right here. 45 seconds. Or until hot. So if you want to zoom in real quick.
I was gonna say something, but I can't say that in front of the I mean, I probably could. It's just like a weird word that I don't like saying. Huh? Has to do with the God.
Are you touching them? Yeah? Hey, guess what? I am too.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
Jess, I like your outfit.
Thank you. Mine was so
So you guys gonna win?
Maybe.
Varsity baby.
baby.
Can I ask you a question? How come nobody on your team knows how to do
That is a good question. I thought that every time.
And now it's done.
That's disgusting. People legit do dribbling drills and
If I was to estimate
Now what you want to do,
turnovers to points,
wash your hands.
you had more turnovers than you did points.
oh yeah. That's like that's like these things.
And then I started to think, have you never been caught breaking?
Oh no, we go over every day.
Because nobody goes to the middle.
Then you gotta,
You all stick to the outside.
what you want to do is you want to put it in for another
And then when you play
45 seconds.
whatever
Or
I thought it was a one.
30. Let's keep it safe. 30 seconds.
Like one, but I was told it was 1, 2.
Yeah, it's only two.
But it didn't look like a 1.
If you.
Like one girl supposed to stay on the high post, there's one. But our girls, they don't. It's like our full-time defense is horrible. No, trust me, they're horrible.
Well, then your guards got one.
Hold on one time. Hey, could you guys be quiet? I'm trying to make some ravioli.
Shut up. You're crusty.
But I won't say because I'm too big.
You're crusty.
That's alright. I had somebody use inappropriate language today, and I lost.
Ah, yes.
What was it?
What?
I heard.
It was in your class.
I was?
Yes.
Wait, what?
When Jillian asked her question.
I wasn't in
Oh,
there.
that's right. You walked out.
Oh. What you want to do now?
Are these two books?
Hold on one second. Mr. Sperry,
I
where are the spoons at?
Only if I had a lot of kitchens around here. Where, if I was a spoon, where would I
In a cabinet?
be? Turn around 180.
In the microwave.
Now stop. Reach down with your left hand. Right in front of you. Oh, keep going. Almost, nope. One more up. Oh!
Wow.
Just make sure you wash that when you're done.
Don't wash it.
I wash it.
Don't.
No.
You'll get a disease.
How many people will this serve?
say a good amount of 100 people.
Like a half a person. Doctor, you gonna give me a prostate exam? I'm not ready.
It's delicious.
This has been Weaver Cooks.
This has been Weaver Cooks. Thanks. Subscribe for more.